Hello learners, it's great to see you again. Today, we will explore how to add 4-digit numbers using number discs. What is 1213 plus 2354? First, let's use number discs to represent each number. The number 1213 has 1,000, 200s, 110 and 3 ones. The number 2354 has 2,000s, 300s, 5 10s and 4 ones. We can show our working in this place value chart. We start adding from the smallest place value. So, we add the ones first. 3 ones plus 4 ones equals 7 ones. We have 7 ones now, so we write 7 in the ones place. Next, we add the tens. 1 10 plus 5 tens equals 6 tens. We have 6 tens now, so we write 6 in the tens place. Next, we add the hundreds. 2 hundreds plus 3 hundreds equals 5 hundreds. We have 5 hundreds now, so we write 5 in the hundreds place. Finally, we add the thousands. 1,000 plus 2,000s equals 3,000s. We have 3 thousands now, so we write 3 in the thousands place. After adding, we have 3 thousands, 5 hundreds, 6 tens and 7 ones. So, 1213 plus 2354 is equal to 3567. Now, let us look at an example of addition with regrouping. What is 3667 plus 2625? The number 3667 has 3,000, 600s, 6 tens and 7 ones. The number 2625 has 2,000s, 600s, 2 tens and 5 ones. Let us show our working in another place value chart. We start adding from the smallest place value. So, we add the ones first. 7 ones plus 5 ones equals 12 ones. 12 is greater than 10, so we have to regroup to the next greatest place value, which is the tens. Since 10 ones form 110, we can regroup 12 ones into 110 and 2 ones. We move the 10 to the tens place and add 1 to the tens in the place value chart. We are left with 2 ones, so we write 2 in the ones place. Next, we add the tens. The regroup 10 plus 6 tens plus 2 tens equals 9 tens. We have 9 tens now, so we write 9 in the tens place. Next, we add the hundreds. 600s plus 600s equals 1200s. Since 1200s is greater than 1000s, we have to regroup to the next greatest place value, which is the thousands. Since 10 hundreds form 1000, we can regroup 1200s into 1000 and 200s. We move the 1000 to the thousands place and add 1 to the thousands in the place value chart. We are left with 200s, so we write 2 in the hundreds place. Finally, we add the thousands. The regroup 1000 plus 3000s plus 2000s equals 6000s. We have 6000s now, so we write 6 in the thousands place. After adding, we have 6,000s, 200s, 9 tens and 2 ones. So, 3667 plus 2625 is equal to 6292. Today, we have learned how to add 4-digit numbers using number discs. Great job on completing this video. Hope to see you again.